Hello and welcome to 5-day flexibility challenge. My name is Aiste and I wanted to create this series for the people who want to start something new this year and perhaps you don't know where to start, and also for the people who don't have much time throughout their day. So these 10-15 minutes flows is great place to start. Also, I would like encourage you to give yourself a gift of movement, which not only going to make you feel great physically, but also is very important for our well-being. So when you're ready, we're going to start day 1 with a full body flow. So just grab your mat and nice and comfy outfit and we begin. Let's find nice comfortable seat and we're going to begin with the shoulder circles. Let's do 5. 2 more. And change direction. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Place your hands onto your lap, palms facing up, and we're going to bring right ear to the right shoulder. Nice stretch for your side of your neck. Take a deep breath in. And come back to the center, other side. Take a deep breath in. And come back to the center. This time I'm gonna look up, chin up. Stretching your throat. And opposite, chin down towards the chest. Lengthening the back of your neck. Beautiful. And come back to the center. Let's come facing short edge of your mat. Come into your child's pose, but bring your hands on your fingertips like a tent to get deeper into your shoulders. Forehead is down. And again, deep breath in. Exhale. Let's place your palms flat onto the mat. We're going to round through the spine, come forward, hips come up, and then we're going to arch the spine, drop the belly down, look up, and again, shifting back into your child's pose. Okay, so when we come up, we round, gaze towards your belly, back into your tabletop, arch, look up, send your hips back. Let's do 3 more. Warming up into your spine. Nice and slow. We have 1 more. And once you're back into your tabletop, we're going to extend right leg up. On an exhale, thread it through. And again, inhale up. Maybe looking towards fingertips. And through. 1 more inhale. Exhale through. This time set your right shoulder down. Right ear is down as well. So your left hand can stay by your face or maybe reaching in front of you. Staying in a twist. Don't forget to breathe. Couple more breaths. Okay, and we're going to bring the left hand back. Slowly coming up, and this time transition on your left shin, pressing into left hand, and right leg extends straight. Okay, so move along the mat if you need to. We're gonna take a big stretch for your side body, so reaching your fingertips nice and long. Biceps, right biceps in line of your right ear. Big stretch. From here we're gonna come up. Okay, stay the same with your legs. If you need to adjust pivot the foot back behind, and taking a gate pose. So right hand onto my straight leg and take stretch for your other side. Beautiful. Deep breath, reaching your fingertips away. And release it down. With control, let's come back into your tabletop. Let's take a few cat-cows, arch the spine, and round. Moving into the areas where you feel most tension, maybe pausing if you need. Last one. Okay, so let's take other side. Left arm up, and we take a twist. Thread it through. Inhale. And under. Last one. And set the left shoulder down. And then make any adjustments, reaching maybe fingertips forward. Take a favorite variation that feels nice. Sometimes it's difficult to breathe in these kind of twisted positions, so we're just doing your best. Let's place your right hand back and open the chest. Okay, let's transition to the side, modified side plank. Okay, my left leg extends back and I'm reaching forward with my fingertips. Big stretch for my side body. Beautiful. One more deep breath. And this time I'm going to come up. Take it to other side. Beautiful. And let's come back to your tabletop. Square up to the front. Let's tuck your toes, lift your hips nice and high for your downward facing dog. You can pedal through your feet, left and right, to stretch out your calves. When you're ready, we're going to walk towards the front to meet your hands. So bend your knees if you need to, as much as you need to. Okay, so we move to the front of the mat. Bring your feet nice and wide as your mat. And your toes can point outwards. Okay, we're going to sink low into our squat. Okay, nice hip opener. Place your hands like a prayer and gently pushing your knees out using our elbows. Okay, so making sure your chest is lifted. Okay, if you struggle with the ankle mobility, you're probably going to be high on your toes. That's totally fine. Okay, just doing your best. One more deep breath. Exhale. When you're ready, we're going to bring the fingertips down. And let's step the left leg back for our lunge. Okay, so find your lunge. Knee is stacked over your ankle. Your back toes can be tucked or untucked. It's up to you. Okay, we're going to open the chest hands like a cactus shape. Okay, so like a goalpost. Okay, open the chest, squeeze your back muscles together. On an exhale, we're gonna straighten the knee and straighten the arms. Flex your toes towards the face and lean forward with your chest. A nice hamstring stretch. Okay, and again, open up, squeeze your shoulder blades and straighten, arch the spine, extend the knee. Okay, let's do 3 more. Open. Okay, so here I'm not rounded, I'm not going like this. Chest is forward. Okay, 2 more. And last one. Come back into your lunge. So this time I'm going to give you option. You either can stay in your lunge, just simply place your hands on top of your knee, or you can interlace your hands behind your back, open the chest, and keep your hands away. Straighten the elbows. One more deep breath. Beautiful. Release your hands down. Back onto the mat. We're going to lift the knee off the floor. Left hand stays down and we're going to take a twist. Reaching right fingertips towards the sky. Okay, so try not to be really high up here. Hips low to feel the stretch. One more deep breath. I'm gonna bring the knee down. Bend the knee and see if you can grab the foot with your hand. If not, you can use a strap or a belt. And we're gonna try to take that heel closer towards your glutes. Nice stretch for your quads. Let's hold here for 2 more breaths. I know these ones are quite intense. And release it down. Step the left foot back into the squat and sink low. Round 2 of our squat. You also can move here left to right. Beautiful. And let's take it to other side. Right leg steps back into your lunge. Okay, let's find our lunge first. Knee is stacked over your ankle. I'm going to open my chest. Squeeze your back muscles together. On an exhale, come into the hamstring stretch, your half split. And again, we're doing 4 more. Open the chest. Extend. 3. 2. And last one. Come back into your lunge and choose your variation. Okay, maybe you're just staying here, simply holding the stretch, or hands behind you, adding the shoulders. Beautiful, last breath. Both hands come inside. Lift the knee off the floor and take a twist. Keeping the hips nice and low. One more deep breath. You're doing great. Exhale, release, knee down, bend the knee. And see if you can grab the foot for our quad stretch. Okay, let's bring the heel towards the butt cheek. Hold here for 3 breaths. And slowly release it down. Let's come back into our squat. So sink nice and low. Just for one deep breath. Chest is lifted. And we're going to slowly come on our backs. Our last spinal stretch. Let's take a right leg over your left and bring both knees to the left. Okay, our hands can stay here like a T or like a cactus shape. And try to keep both shoulders down. It's okay if your knees are still lifting off the floor. You can close down your eyes if you wish. Beautiful, last breath. You're also welcome to pause video anytime if you want to hold the stretch for a little bit longer. And let's come back to the middle. Unravel your legs and switch. And bring both knees to the right this time, keeping the shoulders grounded as much as possible. Beautiful stretch for your spine, your lower back. Maybe even feeling the stretch in your outer hip. Deep breath into your nose. Exhale slowly. Let's come back to the middle. Hug the knees in towards the chest. Give yourself a nice big hug. Swaying side to side. And let's extend both legs one by one. Reach your hands overhead. Give yourself a nice big stretch, pointing your toes. And release it down. Okay, let's come to the seat. Thank you so much for joining this class with me. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope to see you in a day 2.